today's video is going to be a drugstore haul. I recently went to Target over the weekend and I found a bunch of goodies. Luckily, I actually found a full face of new goodies. There might be like one or two things that are like not recent releases, but they're still, I haven't tried them, so that's why I grabbed it. Let's get started. So for primer, I got 3 things. I know 3 primers is excessive, but I couldn't help myself. I got really excited when I saw all these. Starting with the first thing, it's the NYX Blur Screen 30 SPF primer. This guy I heard a lot of stuff about, good and bad, so I wanted to test it out myself. Hopefully it doesn't have like a white cast. So yeah, I wanted to try this out, so I grabbed it. And then the other 2 things are stick form, and first one is the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. Looks like this. I'm always looking for the best hydrating primer, so this really intrigued me. And I know they have something similar to this, like they have like that they released like not too long ago too. It's like a hydrating something. I'm not sure if it's a primer or if it's just like a hydrating stick. Like yeah, I wanted to try this out. I haven't tried the other one out. If you want me to try that one out, let me know in the comments below. Or if you want me to compare the 2, let me know in the comments below too. And the other guy is the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer Stick. So I have this in their tube form that looks like this. But that one likes to like spit out, and when you put it on your face, like it falls off. Like when you're about to like rub it in, like it falls off. I've had that happen to me like multiple times. So I'm happy that they came out with a stick form. I wonder if it works the same. We shall see when I try all this makeup out. And if it does work the same, then I'm probably not going to repurchase the tube form again, and I'm just gonna stick with this guy. But we shall see if it works out. But for foundation, I got the new Physicians Formula Diamond Perfector BB Cream Foundation. Looks like this. Okay, let's take it out of the package. So I'm actually a big fan of BB creams. I really don't use foundations, like straight up foundations. So I was really excited when this came out with this. I know that they have other BB creams and skin tints, but I like that it says mineral water, and I like the cap. The cap looks really beautiful, so excited to use that. For concealer, NYX came out with their Pro Fix Stick Correcting Concealer. So this is what it looks like. I got mine's in vanilla. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a straight up match, but this is what it looks like out of the stick. It looks very interesting. I hope it doesn't like just like melt off, like like break up easily, like the Stila foundation stick. That was like not cool. Like you would go through it quick because it would just like break off, and like yeah, it would get messy and all that stuff. Well, I mean, at least for me. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. So next, powder, Wet n Wild. This is the not so new product I was talking about. I hadn't seen it. I hadn't tested out yet, so it intrigued me. It kind of reminds me of the Airspun powder, the OG Airspun powder, and also it reminds me of the NYC powder. It looks exactly like this. Like it comes in a smaller. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna grab. This is the Wet n Wild, and this is the NYC. It looks identical. It's a little bit bigger, but here let's do the grams. So this is 20 grams, and this is 20 grams. So they're exactly the same amount. I mean, the body is bigger. I'm curious as to see if it works the same as this one. So yeah, I will test it out. Contour. Okay, so I have a contour product, and I also have a cream bronzer product, like straight up bronzer but in cream form. Okay, so for the bronzer, I saw this new stick product from ColourPop. It's the ColourPop stick bronzer in Moonstone Beach. It looks like this, and the product looks like this. So here you go. So I'm actually really excited to test this out because I actually love cream bronzer a lot. And I saw that Milani also came out with their own contour stick thing product, and I got mine in ginger. It looks like this. Yeah, it's like a little sponge thing. It reminds me of the Revolution one. It also has a sponge. But yeah, I'm intrigued to test this guy out. Next is blush. I got this Revolution highlight blush stick. It comes with a blush, but it also comes with a highlighter. I hadn't seen this before. I hadn't tested it out, so I'm assuming it's new. So let's see what it looks like. I got mine in Mauve Glow. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Here, let's see. This is the blush side. Oh, it's so small. Oh, and it looks like it's going to be matte. So that's interesting. This is the product. Like that. And it looks so pretty. Alright. And since highlight is the next category, let's look at the highlight side. It looks like this. Wow, that looks so pretty. So pretty. Oh my god. It's really, really pretty. Alright. I'm really excited to use this guy out now. Ooh. And the other highlight product that I got was another stick from ColourPop. I got mine in Sunlight. Looks like this out of the... And then this is what the tube looks like. Again, I got mine in Sunlight. Ooh, I'm excited. For eyes, I didn't get a palette, but I did get a mascara and an eyeliner. And the eyeliner is the ColourPop liquid liner in BFF. Sorry, the line is BFF, but the shade is Numero Uno. Looks like this in the box. Let's see, out of the box, see what it looks like. So this is another not so new product. They've had this for a while. I've never tried it out. And I've been meaning to try it out actually. So it looks like this. That is so cute. The little stars and like, I think this is like intended for like high schoolers or like junior high people, like kids, you know. So I'm excited to use this guy too. And the mascara I got was the Essence Lash Like a Boss Instant Volume and Length in Ultra Black. Looks like this. I'm excited to get it. I'm excited to use everything, honestly. Ooh, the wand is different than typical. So there's a little bit of curvature to the wand. I don't know if you can see right there. It's like a smiley, like that. And it looks like it's a not a tubing formula, so I'm interested in see if it's gonna bleed or if it transfers on my eyelids, because I have hooded eyes, so and I usually have that problem. So I'm curious as to see if this guy will do that. For setting spray, I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Mist 24 hour. So I think I have a theory. I think this is not new. I know it says new on there, but I think they repackaged this. So Wet n Wild used to have a setting spray that had like repackaged it to look like this, and maybe change the formula too, but I'm not sure. But this one says 24 hour and the other one didn't, so I don't know. I think they did something there, like they like judged it a little bit and released it again. But I'm still excited to see if this is amazing. It says mist on here, so that gets me really excited because the mist is what I'm looking for. And it has this little thing that this actually reminds me of like the elf ones that are like a staple. They have that little painter ball thing, so I'm really excited to test this guy out. And the last thing is lips, and I got 2 products. I was looking for a third one, but I couldn't find it. So the first one is a lip oil. I'm sorry, no, lip balm, shiny lip balm, and it's from NYX. It's the Fat Slick Click Oil from NYX. It looks like this. I got mine's in double tap. It's like a red shade, so it looks like this in the tube. I'm really excited. Okay, so if you saw my previous video, I put this on. This is the Essence What the Fake Extreme Lip Plumping Filler with Chili Extract. This is amazing. I was raving about it in that video. That it's been a while, and it feels great and it looks great on the lips. I really like this guy. And to my surprise, when I was at the Target, I saw that they released a new one. It's called it's still in the What the Fake line, lip plumper filler with hyaluronic acid, translucent pearl finish. Looks like this. It comes in a beautiful pink box. I was so happy when I saw this. I'm like, oh my god, if it's anything like the previous one, I'm going to love it. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty. It comes in a white color. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Out of everything, I'm really excited to use this, because I mean, I love this guy, and to have another one is awesome. So that is it for this haul. Please like and share this video. Until next time, bye.